sixth plague is boils, painful, oozing sores all over people's skin. Then comes the seventh plague, hail. But this isn't your average hailstorm. We're talking about massive balls of ice mixed with fire, destroying crops and buildings. Next up, locusts swarming for the eighth plague. These guys eat everything in sight, devastating what's left of the crops. For the ninth plague, darkness falls over Egypt for 3 whole days. Can you imagine that kind of darkness? It's not just the absence of light, it's a darkness so thick you can almost feel it. And finally, the 10th and most terrible plague, the death of the firstborn.